So, Wall Street just can't stop breaking records, and Tuesday was no exception. Hey everyone, it's Wednesday morning, October 29th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. Alright, let's get started. Now, US stocks jumped again on Tuesday, pushing all three major indexes to fresh record highs as investors rode the wave of optimism ahead of the Federal Reserve meeting. The Dow climbed about 0.3%, the Standard & Poor's 500 ticked up 0.2% for its third straight record close, and the Nasdaq led the way higher, up nearly 0.8%, powered by strong earnings and good old AI excitement. And speaking of AI, Nvidia was the star of the show. Shares popped 5% after CEO Jensen Huang took the stage at the company's big GTC conference, saying the AI industry has officially turned a corner. He also unveiled a lineup of new partnerships that had investors buzzing all day. Now, the real test for big tech starts today. The so-called Magnificent Seven, that's Alphabet, Apple, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Tesla, and Nvidia, will all be reporting results this week. Everyone's especially watching Amazon, which announced about 14,000 job cuts, and Apple, which became another company to top $4 trillion in market value, and that is a very exclusive club, by the way. Earnings season overall is in full swing. We saw reports from Visa, United Health, UPS, and PayPal on Tuesday, all adding more fuel to the conversation. Meanwhile, all eyes are on the Fed, which began its two-day policy meeting yesterday. Traders are basically certain we'll see a second straight rate cut when Chair Jerome Powell speaks later today. But the real question is, will we get another one in December? With the ongoing government shutdown freezing key economic data, Powell's words are being dissected even more closely than usual. And on the trade front, there's movement too. Trump praised Japan's Prime Minister Sanai Takaichi after the two nations signed deals on rare earths and trade, a step that also sets the stage for his upcoming meeting with China's President Xi on Thursday. So yeah, between record highs, central bank decisions, and the biggest tech earnings of the season, this week's shaping up to be another wild one on Wall Street. All right, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again tomorrow morning for more market updates. See you then.